Hey guys, it's Jarrett with Stackingplastic. Just wanted to hop on here and show you what we got here on the table. So we got the Bamboo Labs A1 here. For those who remember, I made a trip down to Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Picked up a bunch of printers. I got a YouTube video up, or I'm in a YouTube video with a YouTuber that goes by the name of Nathan Builds Robots. Great guy, got a pretty good deal on some printers and got to learn a lot. But during that experience, I was able to help him destroy, like a piñata, a Bamboo Labs A1. Now, during that process, I was able to sneak away with this AMS. This is a multicolor system that allows me to have 4 rolls of plastic and then fed into this A1 here, allowing for multicolored prints. Here's a whole stack of different colored spools that we got. We got some green, different types of green, red, yellows, orange. I got some pink and some more blue down there. But yeah, just wanted to take a peek at this and kind of do a really quick unboxing. I'm not looking to spend too much time here, but I already caught it, so let's go ahead and open this up. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. We'll see how it's packaged. So the Bamboo Labs, they're kind of new. I'd say within the last year, last 2 years. Relatively new company. They came out of nowhere. Pretty much shook up the entire industry. They released a couple printers, and these are some of the top of the line printers that you can get on the market right now, and their price points are not that bad. They are some of the ones to first make multicolor printing accessible to the community, and so this has always been something I wanted to get into. We're just gonna go ahead and rip this bag open here. I'm gonna stop this and get this bag off here real quick. Alright, now I got this bag off. We're gonna take this and we're gonna throw it over there. We have, what do we got here? This is gonna be our quick start guide. This must be our instructions on how to set up the printer. This printer, the assembly and setup for this thing should be under 30 minutes. Yeah, Bamboo, they're probably known to have a slogan in the community called "It Just Works," where when you set these things up, they work out of the box. This printer here is probably one of the easiest printers to buy, assemble, and start using for someone that has never used a 3D printer before. With the advantage of having the AMS over there, you can get so much more work done and have some pretty good quality prints. This here is going to be the filament swatches. I already have the filament swatches, as if you've seen this sneak peek on Facebook. These things are awesome. This is going to be pretty much one of every color that Bamboo Labs offers. I have some colors there. Along with the different types of filament that those colors come in. So this is a really good reference to maybe there's something I'm looking to print and I want to match a color to it. This will tell me what colors to look for. Right here we got a little toolkit. There's some cool files too that Bamboo Labs sends or has posted online for their stuff. So this toolkit here comes in a cardboard box, but they actually have a file for a hardened, like a hard plastic case that has the perfect setup for you to be able to put all of your parts in here. As we keep moving on down, I'm gonna take this foam out. I'm just gonna throw this on the ground too. This looks to be our spool holder. So I do already have one right here. Again, this is one I took with that AMS before destroying the other printer. Don't worry, that other printer was faulty, so no need to feel bad. But I am excited to have one of my own in front of me. Go ahead and open this up, and now we can really get into the machine. So this is going to be a two-part machine. From what I recall, all we have to do is take this frame here and put some screws into the bottom of this bed, and the printer's fully set up for us at that point. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this out and we'll take a look. So I went ahead and kind of pulled everything out, got rid of the box over there, and we can take a look at everything that came with it. So here we're going to have our print bed. This is a heated bed, moves back and forth. That's how we're going to get one of our axes. And then we have the extruder here, which has some super interesting stuff with it, and we'll get to that in a sec. Just taking a look at everything here, it looks great. Again, that super easy setup. This part here is pretty much going to fit in underneath here, and the posts are going to mount up, allowing us to fully have the printer assembled. Let's see, we got a spool holder there, that's from the spare. This part here is going to be our purge cutter. With the multicolor printing, what happens is we have 4 PTFE tubes. They're just smooth, we'll say smooth plastic tubes that the filament can flow through without a lot of friction. And it's going to come into these 4 spouts here. Now the print head, working with the AMS, is going to tell the printer which filament to push through. So let's imagine I have yellow, green, red, and blue, and I'm printing a part that's going to be blue. It's only going to feed the blue through until it needs to stop. At that point, this print head is going to move over where this accessory is going to be attached, around here relatively, and it is going to cut that blue off as it pulls the blue out and inserts the next color, all staying contained within that system. And that's how this printer works. Now, something new that you will notice here is our little friend. I have yet to print his eyes, but this is a Galaxy Purple Nebula Silk PLA. Silk plastics are going to have a lot of reflection, which are going to hide those layer lines, unlike usual plastics. And his main focus is to sit at the side of the printer where that cutter is going to be, and he's going to catch all of the little filament poop, as we call it. The caveat to printing with multicolor is there is a lot of waste. When it has to change out in the amount of changes of color that you have in that system is going to determine how much material you go through. You could print something really small that maybe is 50 grams of material, but it might take 50 grams of waste to get to that point if there's enough color changes. And I'm excited to kind of see how that system works a little bit more and test it out for you. So that was kind of a quick overview of the Bambu Labs A1. I'm going to go ahead and get this all put together and get it all set up and be ready to test print, and I'll get back to you.